Look what I have. I have the Cirkul infusion. Cirkul Finally Water is your favorite beverage. So I know I'm late to the party, but I'm going to be doing a genuine review. I've never had this. So you guys stay tuned. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to my channel. All right, let's get into the video. You guys know I'm on this weight loss journey and I'm using a Manjaro. You do have to drink more water. So I stopped at my local Walmart and I purchased the Cirkul. So I'm going to do an unboxing and I'm going to do a little quick review to see if it's really that good. All right. So here you go. That's what it's looking like on the inside. It comes with 2 flavors. One is fruit punch and the other one is fit sip mixed berry. So that's what it's looking like. So I got my Cirkul. I low-key want to call it Kirkle for some reason, but it's Cirkul. All right, and the flavor I'm going to do today is the Fit Sip. Right there, y'all see? And this is what it looks like. Okay, it has the little dials where you can turn it, then where you can adjust the flavor of the water. So I'm going to put this on. Put the top on. Then got the top on. I'm gonna place this in. All right. And this is what it's looking like so far. My water, my ice. Okay. This is what it's looking like so far, y'all. All right. So you can dial up the flavor. You can go to the right if you want water, and you can go to the left if you want the flavor. So let's see what it tastes like. Okay, that's the water. Let's dial it to the flavor. Got it on a 5. Let's see what it tastes like. Ooh. This good. Ooh, I like this. Y'all, this is good. This is good. Cirkul. Y'all, go get it. This is good. Ooh, hold on. Ooh, I'm gonna see on the highest one. Cause it's on low. I'm gonna see what it tastes like on the highest level. 9, okay. It tastes like juice on 9. Okay, Cirkul. Okay, Cirkul. Y'all gonna get y'all a Cirkul so y'all can be hydrated. So y'all can you know, be hydrated. Ooh, I'm excited about this. Cirkul, yes. Y'all gonna get y'all a Cirkul. Cause y'all know I'm on my weight loss journey. I'm doing Manjaro, and my problem is my water intake. So y'all go get y'all a Cirkul, y'all. Go get it. I promise you, it is good. Ooh, that thing made me happy. Cirkul. Yes, y'all go get y'all a Cirkul, all right? I hope y'all like this video. Subscribe and hit that notification bell, all right?